Alright, back again. So today we're going to be working with the list again in the terminal. So make sure you pull up the terminal. So click down here and then click terminal, and it'll bring it up, and then bring up the Python. So just type in Python and then this will pop up. So we're working with weekdays again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And we're going to be trying to add and remove items from the list. So you can add items into the list by doing the append, and I showed that in a previous video. The append typically adds items to the end of the list, and now we want to add items somewhere within the list. So if we want to add an item, so in this case we want to add Sunday to the list. So you want to do the name of the list dot insert, and then you want to give the value of where you want to insert it at. So in our case, Monday is right now in the 0 position, and we want to add Sunday in that position and shift Monday over to the 1 position. So in order to do that, we type in 0 and then enter the value we want in that spot. So we're doing abbreviations, and now we can look to see what weekdays holds. And as you can see, we got Sunday, then Monday. So what happened here is you want to list where you want to insert the value, and then give the value and then give what you want to insert into the list. So if we want to remove something from the list, we can do del, or short for delete, and then weekdays, which is the name of our list, and then give the location of where you want it to delete. So in our case, I wanted to delete Sunday off, and then now we can take a look, and as you can see, it deleted out Sunday. So going over it again, so you got del, short for delete, and then you give the name of the list and you specify where you want it to delete. So in that case, it was the 0 position. So we can do it again. We want to delete out Monday now, or let's delete out Tuesday to be more something different. And then now, as you can see, we took out Tuesday. So that is a short tutorial on how to add and delete things out of the list.